Gotta relax. We want you to warm up, but you're going 100% from the moment you leave the pit.
Right now we're in Sebring International Raceway. It's a really recognized track, and it's actually the first track that I ever drove when I got into racing. And it actually is the same layout too. We're doing the half course, not the full course. It's kind of chilly this morning. It's like 70 degrees, but you know, with humidity, it kind of feels like 60. Slight breeze, but yeah, I'm feeling ready. I'm feeling excited. The team right now is getting the cars ready, unloaded, and I think we're the only two Indy Lights again. But Indy Lights was here for the last 3 days. But you know, they laid out some rubber, but unfortunately I think it rained last night. Well, it did rain last night, as you can tell. So it's gonna be a little bit crazy in the first session, as they say, no grip, but I'm excited.
Okay, but you can hear me right now? Everything? 1, 2, 3, 1. ¿Un poquito el radio? ¿Ah? ¿Se le puede bajar un poquito el radio acá? I got it.
Mariano.
How much?
Hablale para ver el volumen.
Can you hear me there? Can you hear me there? Can you hear me there? Some lower? Okay, lower, lower. That's good? Okay.
Fire it up.
And I pumped it, I put it in first. It goes in first gear, but I can't get it in reverse.
Hey, Jim.
You can't even get to power because it's like this so much.
Alright, well let me try to work on that. It's never going to feel perfect.
Yeah, I heard you. Yeah, I get that.
We can make it better, right? Hey, what's ECP? Cooling pressure, right?
Yeah. Si está, si queda estancado, va en primera, lo rueda un poquito, deje que el carro ruede y siga intentando meter reversa. Ya miré la telemetría y está funcionando la telemetría.
También no se quería meter al...
Sí, en el... I checked before the car left. 7 is like a third.
What happened?
Gotta relax.
I know.
It's super uncomfortable to ride with that radio, I know. But sometimes you just gotta deal with things. You spun on the outlap.
Now I know I can't. It just can't go through through second gear. I have to go through that corner through third gear in the first lap because it's too hot. You can't do it in second. It spins.
Yeah. But you left the pit. We want you to warm up, but it's like you're going 100% from the moment you leave the pit. Warm up. And then just take it easy.
I'm short shifting. I'm not going 100%.
No.
And in turn 2 or turn 3, it's just if you touch it at all, I wasn't even because I knew how easy it is to spin there. I literally just went in there and I just barely lost it.
This shouldn't happen. Is what I'm like. The beginning, warm up, take it easy. You made one corner. That's it. He's gonna try out Stingray's helmet and your helmet and see what's going on, and he's gonna clean the connectors.
Yeah.
Let's go check this out.
mile to a 430 mile, my cadence only varies 2 or 3 steps a minute.
How is that
Right?
possible?
Because you're covering more distance. So you're still, you're still turning over the same cadence, but if your stride was this long, now your stride's getting that long as you go faster.
Yeah, I really don't even, like, I know what I gotta do. Like, I just gotta go back to what I was doing before.
Yeah.
I went out there, it was all like, oh, yeah. But can we see the video of my spin real quick?
Yeah.
I just gotta take third gear through there. I'm just gonna take third gear through there from now on.
Or just do it slow.
I did once.
In first gear, man.
Oh, second.
Yeah.
This is normal.
Yeah. Okay.
It's normal. The thing is, like in Homestead, well, it's different case. There was an exception because there it's a lot of grip in the track. It's always warm. The asphalt's always warm. Most part of the tracks, it's like this. Most part, like St. Pete, it's even worse. Toronto, it's worse. And then Indy and Road America, they're better, like almost like Homestead, but still a little bit worse. Every other track's the same thing. Like you really need to take care.
Okay.
It comes fast. Every time you're gonna feel the turbo, you put third gear or just keep slow.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, so I just want to see that one thing. Can you hear me hello?
Hacen más pip, pip, pip.
Go team! So we're going into session 3 in about 20 minutes, I think. First session was really good. I just had queuing with the radio, getting problems, and then the second session it happened again. I went out kind of stressed out and tried to look fast and spun out, but I didn't have on track. I just was over driving a little bit, so I mentally reset, I had some food, and I'm ready for session number 3 and really gonna go out there methodically, and you know, my mind is a lot more calmer now. Before I was all over the place, but I feel ready now, and I'm ready to go drive.
Then depending on what you got, we may make a downforce change after that.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, good.
Generalmente se los cambias al.
Pero acá no llega a
Vamos, que
sexta.
son de más.
Pero
Si lo tienes menos torque. El engranaje grande te hace que salga. No le exige tanto el motor.
Pero acá no llega a sexta. Por eso entonces. Porque venía saliendo acá. You only get to 15. You get to 6 on the back? Yeah, 4. Yeah. No, sí, sexta ya.
I was trying to get in reverse and I didn't really know. I was nervous. I really wanted to get back out on track.
It damaged the gearbox and the clutch. There's no way to fix it right now.
And I wanted to whip the car around, but I couldn't get in reverse, and I was on the gas a lot, and I didn't really know that. I was just grinding the gears. I didn't even know it was going in reverse.
This is to protect the car where you did do some damage.
emotions really affect everybody. And yesterday I was off starting in the morning. You know, we had great times. We were there. We were right next to Stingray. But it's unfortunate that that's the way the day turned out. But hey, I'm looking forward to more testing and looking forward to, you know, learning from this and growing from it. Please spread some love, drop a comment, drop a like, and I'll always reach out to you guys. See you guys later.